Hello, my name is Afisya Bausyain.
My name is Arnia Rizkiana.
I'm Hana Pratista Dewi. My name is Oktavina Triwahyuni.
My name is Husnul Maulida.
Rwanda is strongly affected by malaria, which is one of the main threats to human health globally. In the tropic and subtropic, this disease is rampant and has received a lot of attention for years because of its impact on public health. The entire population is at risk of contracting malaria, with children and pregnant women having the highest. Increased malaria control intervention such as the use of long-lasting insecticides and effective case management has resulted in a significant reduction in the incidence of malaria between 2006 and 2008 in Rwanda. But since 2012, Rwandans have experienced an increase in malaria. Although malaria cases have increased, the trend of malaria deaths has remained constant by 5% in the years 2015 to the efficiency of antimalarial drug use in malaria transmission in this country is relation to altitude and microclimate and a cold in Indonesia. Malaria is more common in the lowlands than in the highland. In addition to favorable climate, other factors such as proximity to swim, irrigation schemes, and cross-border movement of people affect transmission, especially in southern and eastern Indonesia.
Well efforts are being made in Rwanda through Sentinel sites to capture key indicators. There are a number of areas which will benefit from a survey to determine the community prevalence of malaria infection from asymptomatic hosts, which serve as reserve voice. Identification of the specific risk factor in a locality might provide support for exciting preventive measures or the introduction of new ones. The objective of present study was to determine the current prevalence of malaria parasites in under 5 children and the association risk factor in Hui District, Rwanda. Materials and method study are: this was a cross-sectional study conducted from May to June 2016 in malaria endemic rural village of Rukirasel located in Hui District, southern province of Rwanda. Rukirasel is made up of 13 villages and cover 10 kilometers with a population of 6,529 persons living in 1,600 households. It is situated in the central plateau with hills of an average altitude of 170 and an average temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall of 1,160 millimeters annually. From the community health works, the list of all children was entered into SPSS version 22 and 222 children out of 705 were selected randomly. The selected participants were visited at their homes and were informed about the study and invited to participate. If the participant was not at home, and research team had to visit the host from a minimum 3 times before replacing her or him with another one. Information socks includes ownership of insect-treated mosquito nets, use of nets, and having a child under 5 with malaria fever in the household in the last 2 weeks. Any mosquito breeding sites near the house or nearby swamp were identified by observation. Both chicks and thin blood smears were prepared from each selected child following standard operating procedure. 2 drops of blood were collected on a clean microscope slide. 1 drop was used to prepare a thick smear and the other was used to prepare a thin smear. Finally, the slides were labeled with participant code and
Finally, the slides were labeled with participant code and pages into slight water after being air dried. All slides were transported at Sofu Health Center located in the study area. The thin smear on each slide was fixed with absolute methanol, and both thick and thin smears were stained with 10% Giemsa for n minutes and examined microscopically under a light microscope for malaria parasite. Parasite results were reported based on screening of 100 microscopic field at X100 magnification. Malaria parasite positive results were based on the finding of the malaria trophozoite gametocyte of schizone on pig smear. For quality assurance, 10% of positive slides were sent at Butler University Teaching Hospital for space confirmation. Odd ratio and 95% confidence interval were used to estimate the strength of association between the independent variable and malaria. Asymptomatic malaria was defined as being free of fever and presence of malaria parasite infection or absence of any malaria-related symptom at the time of data collection. Ethical consideration. The study received ethical approval from the Institution Review Board of University of Rwanda. Permission to conduct research in the area was sought from the administration of the study area. The researchers explained the purpose of the study to the parents or guardian of each selected child, and those who agreed to participate give a right consent. Children with malaria parasite were treated with artemether lumefantrine at Sofu Health Center.
Socio-demographic characteristics. A total of 222 children participated in the study. The mean age of the children was 32.2 months. The highest percent, 28.8%. Prevalence of malaria. Microscopic examination of the smear detected the present Plasmodium falciparum in all blood smears. The prevalence of Plasmodium falciparum infection among the children was 12.2%. Children aged 2 to 12 months were more likely to have malaria infection than children aged 13 to 59 months, 30.4%. The proportion of malaria infection was higher among male children than their female counterparts, 17.6%. Malaria infection risk factor. Children who were not sleeping under insecticide-treated net were more likely to have malaria infection, 61.5%. However, there was no significant association between malaria infection and possession of insecticide-treated net, window screen, presence of mosquito breeding sites near the house, and whether suffered from malaria in the last month.
Malaria transmission in Rwanda varies widely, with two seasonal peaks in May to June and November to December. Although the participants in present study were apparently healthy, infection prevalence of 12.2% was observed. The prevalence was high as compared to the professionals' reports gathered et al. 2011, PMI 2014. This difference may be related to the coverage of the study, which was conducted in one malaria endemic cell of Hue district, whereas other studies were conducted on a large scale. P. falciparum, which is known to cause severe malaria, was thought observed malaria parasite species in the study. In the current study, children who, when sleeping under ants, were 15 times more likely to be infected with malaria compared to those who were sleeping under ants. Similar findings were reported as Silver Ranger 2004, Winsley et al. 2011. Children aged 1 to 12 months were more likely to have malaria infection than children aged Plasmodium spp, immunity which is boosted by repeat exposure. The prevalence of malaria infection varies significantly more among male children compared to their female counterpart in diverse analysis. However, this observation was not sustained in multivariable analysis. The reason for the might be due to the high number of male children who were between 12 months. Upon considering both egg and sex, the analysis revealed the sex was no longer significant. Immediately, the sex was confounded by age. It is difficult to determine the temporal nature of observed association. Participation should also have had racial problem when some issue explored. Moreover, the information on malaria infection prevalence and association risk factor was collection from a rural settings of one cell and might not be generalizable the whole district or country. The restriction of microscopy for the detection of low parasitemia is also acknowledged. We conclude the prevalence of P. falciparum infection in hic among children less than 5 years of in the study area. Mild gender and sleeping under treated bed nets are independently associated with malaria infection.